Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue the story in the kingdom of fools. In the kingdom of fools, there we have seen how the king and the minister were idiots. They did something strange. Did not want to do as the other kings do, and that's why they did something. They changed the night into day and day into night, and even they ordered that everything should cost a duddu only. Whatever they purchase, whatever the grocery or anything would cost only a duddu. So very strange the kingdom was, and the guru and disciple who entered there or arrived there, guru realized that this kingdom is of fools. So he left, warned his disciple. Yes, but then we have seen what happened there. A wall fell on a thief, and then the thief was killed there. Then the brother of the thief went to the king for justice. Then the king called one after another, as the crime, as the scene shifted, transferred to one after another, and then at last the justice came into circle. That means the merchant whose wall fell on the thief was decided as the culprit, real culprit. Yes, and then there we have seen when the stake was made. When the stake was made to execute the merchant, it was bigger than the merchant. So here the king ordered his men to find the person who could fit to the stake, and the disciple who fed himself and made fat, having ghee, banana, rice, wheat, etc. So the servants of the king brought him there to execute. So that time he remembered the words of his guru, and then he called his guru for his help to save him, to rescue him. And the guru who had the magical power saw the vision and appeared there. Yes, arrived there, and let's see then what happens. As soon as he arrived, he means here the guru. Look at there on the page number 24. Here we were there. Okay, the second last para. As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple and told him something in a whisper. So here, as soon as the guru arrived, he scolded means डांटना. Yes, he scolded his disciple and said something in whisper. और कुछ तो भी उसको फुसफुसाते हुए, whisper मतलब पुटपुटाते हुए उसे कुछ कहा. And then he went to the king and addressed him. Okay, then the guru went to the king and addressed him. अब देखो क्या एड्रेस करते हैं किंग को. O wisest of kings, who is greater, the guru or the disciple? And there the guru asked the question to the king, calling him the wisest of the kings. मतलब सारे किंग्स में सबसे चतुर किंग, ऐसा उसको एड्रेस करते, उस किंग को एड्रेस करते हुए वो गुरु कहते हैं कि चलो बताइए, हु इज ग्रेटर, डिसिपल और गुरु? कि गुरु है या डिसिपल है सबसे बड़ा? हु इज ग्रेटर? So look at the reply of the king. Of course the guru, no doubt about it. And here the guru gave the correct answer. Yes, guru is greater than the disciple. Disciple से guru greater होता है, and there is no doubt. But why do you ask? Yes, but why he asked this question? The king did not understand. किंग को बिल्कुल समझ में आता है कि क्यों इसने ये ऐसा सवाल किया. सो टू क्लियर इट द किंग आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन टू द guru. Okay, then let's see what happens there, or what is the reply of the guru. Then put me to the stake first, put my disciple to death after me. And there the guru said, as you said, guru is greater than the disciple, so put me first to stake. Means there the guru said or requested the king to put to death him first. He means the guru first and then the disciple after the guru. Means here he said he wanted to die first before his disciple. Why? Because he is greater than his disciple, so he would be put to death first. It was the wish of that, or what can I say, the request of the guru to the king. And then look at there what happened. When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor, me first, you brought me here first, put me to death first, not him. And then when the guru said that he wanted to die first before his disciple, so the disciple, who was also wise as the guru was, so he understood the plan of the guru. So when he heard this, here he made clamor means he also cried out. वो भी चिल्लाने लगा, एक झगड़ा के जैसे बोलने लगा, no, not him, me first, put me to the death first, as you brought me first, so put me to the death first, then him. So that way he rode. Yes, he rode over it and said, put me to death first. Who? The disciple. He understood the plan of his guru. And then the guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. And now they both began to fight, the guru and disciple, on the matter who would go first to death. कौन पहले मरेगा? So there the disciple was saying that no, he would be the first. Then the guru was saying no, you would not be, as I am the greater, means I am greater than you, so I must be first. So this way there was a fight between the guru and the disciple. Then the king was puzzled by this behavior. The king was puzzled, confused. अब ये देखकर किंग पूरी तरह से कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. Yes, कि why they are fighting on this matter. What is the mystery? What is mystery there? Or what was mystery there? इसमें रहस्य क्या है? Why they wanted to go first? Yes, means both are wanted to go first to death. Why? So here the king became puzzled. He asked the guru, और फिर गुरु को पूछते हैं, why do you want to die? We choose him because we needed a fat man for the stake. Why do you want to die? तुम क्यों मरना चाहते हो? Here the king asked this question to the guru. And there he said, as we needed only a fat man and the disciple is okay, so why do you want to go to miss? Why do you want to die? फिर तुम क्यों मरना चाहते हो? Why? So there the guru said, you shouldn't ask me such questions, put me to death first, replied the guru. So guru replied straightforward, no, you shouldn't ask me such questions. तुम मुझे ऐसे सवाल नहीं कर सकते. Put me to death first. सिर्फ मुझे जल्द से जल्द मौत के घाट उतारो, वो भी मेरे डिसिपल के पहले. So the king was surprised. Why? There is some mystery here. Ask a wise man. As a wise man, you must make me understand. And there the king said, no. Something mystery is there. Something is there. There he said, there is some mystery. Yes, कुछ तो भी रहस्य है. There was some mystery there. Yes, the king understood. He wanted to know what was that, and there he said, as a wise man you are. जैसे तुम एक wise man हो, as a wise man he was, you means he must clear it. He must make him understand, or made him understand. किंग को जरूर इसने समझाना चाहिए, उसको क्लियर करो. Why do you want to die first? Why? तुम क्यों पहले मरना चाहते हो? Clear it fast. So then the guru, अब गुरु का प्लान वर्क कर रहा था. So the guru asked him another question to the king. Okay, will you promise to put me to death if I tell you, अगर मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं कि why I wanted to die first, and if I tell you this, the reason behind it, so would you promise to put me to the death first? क्या तुम मुझे प्रॉमिस करते हो कि तुम मुझे पहले मौत के घाट उतारोगे अगर मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं? So here this question was asked by the guru to the king. So then the king gave him his solemn word. Solemn pavitra, yes, sober. So there he gave him solemn word, yes, promised him. The guru took him aside. Yes, so king here promised the king to the guru. Yes, if he told him the reason, he promised him that he would put him to death first. Yes, so this was the promise given by the king. So now the guru took him aside, तो उसको बाजू में लेके जाते हैं, and out of the servants earshot. आउट ऑफ द सर्वेंट्स ईयरशॉट मीन्स ताकि सर्वेंट्स लोग जो वहां मौजूद थे वो लोग ना सुन सके, ऐसी कुछ दूरी पर उनको लेके जाता है. एंड विस्पर्ड टू हिम मीन्स ही सेड इन हिज ईयर्स. विस्पर्ड इन हिज ईयर्स, उनके कानों में वो विस्पर करके बताते हैं. क्या बताते हैं? डू यू नो व्हाई वी वांट टू डाई राइट नाउ? तुम्हें पता है हम क्यों मरना चाहते हैं अभी? The two of us, हम दोनों के दोनों. Why do we want to die? क्यों हम दोनों मरना चाहते हैं? We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. Yes, look at there how he falsify him. Yes, the guru decisively what can I say, falsify the king. उस किंग को कैसे फंसाते हैं, फॉल्सिफाई करते हैं, मतलब किस तरह से अपने बातों में उसे जाल में फंसाते हैं. Okay, in his trick. Look at there. Then there he says, we have been all over the world. As we are sannyasis, we have been, that means as they were sannyasis, so they had been all over the world, they had wandered all over the world, and they had seen many kings and cities and many more than this king. And that's why there he says we have seen, that means they had seen many cities, many kings, but they had not seen a city like this and the king like you. That means king like that king. उस किंग की तरह किंग आज तक उन्होंने नहीं देखे थे और सिटी की तरह सिटी नहीं देखी थी. एंड दैट स्टेक इज द स्टेक ऑफ द गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस. एंड द स्टेक दैट हैड बीन मेड हियर इज द स्टेक ऑफ जस्टिस. यस, और यहां जो स्टेक बनी है, ये स्टेक क्या है? दिस इज द स्टेक ऑफ गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस. It is not just of justice, but it is a God of justice. Stake of the God of justice. न्याय देवता का स्टेक है ये. Yes, न्याय देवता का स्टेक है. And that's why it is new. और ये बिल्कुल नया भी है. So it had never had a criminal on it. Yes, it has never had a criminal on it. That means not even a single criminal had been killed or executed on this stake. And that's why there he said, अब ये नया है, इसमें अभी तक कोई क्रिमिनल की मौत नहीं हुई है. That means now it is pure, पवित्र, solemn stake it is. ये स्टेक बिल्कुल सोलेम है, पवित्र है, होली है. As no criminal had been executed on it. इसके ऊपर अभी तक एक भी क्रिमिनल की मौत नहीं हुई है. And that's why it is solemn. Yes, it is the stake of the God of justice. So, and whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country. And whoever goes or whoever dies on it first, जो भी इसके ऊपर पहली बार execute किया जाएगा, whoever dies on it, means died on it, will be the king of this country. Yes, in the next birth. will be reborn and become the king of this country. मतलब जो सबसे पहले इसमें मरेगा वो व्यक्ति यहाँ का किंग बनेगा. And whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. And whoever will be the next, और जो दूसरा मरेगा, that person will become or will reborn as the minister, future minister of the country, future minister. So look at the plan of the Guru, how wise he was, how he tracked, yes, the king and his minister, yes, in his trick. Okay, trapped the king and his minister in his trick. And then look at there what happens. Then we are sick of our ascetic life, that means sannyasi life. Okay, so there he said we are now sick of, that means they were now fed up with this ascetic life से वो बोर हो चुके थे, fed up हो चुके थे. And that's why there he said it would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while. So there the Guru said, now as they were fed up with the life of that sannyasi, and that's why there he said it would be better for them to live or enjoy the life of king and minister, yes, after dying on it. Okay, so then now keep your word, my Lord, and put us to death, me first, remember. So this way here the Guru cleared why he wanted to die first on the stake. There he said, now I told you, and as you promised, put me to death first. Remember, you promised me, so put me to death first. The king, अब देखो ये बताने के बाद, अब देखो किंग कैसा ना समझ होता है. The king was now thrown into deep thought. That means now the king considered the matter thoroughly. He started thinking over it thoroughly. Yes, he went deep into the thought, and then he didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. And here the king, the fool king, we can say, the idiot king did not want to lose the kingdom. Yes, in the next life, अपने दूसरे जन्म में वो इस किंगडम को खोना नहीं चाहता था, and that's why he needed time. So there he said, or he decided to get more time, and then so he ordered the execution postponed to the next day. So to get more time, he ordered his servants to postpone it to the next day. Okay, दूसरे दिन इसको postponed किया गया, and talked in secret with his minister. और अपने मिनिस्टर के साथ में secretly वो बातें करता है. He talked about the thing the Guru told him. जो गुरु ने उसको कहा था वो सारी चीज़ें अपने मिनिस्टर के साथ वो चर्चा करता है. And then said, it is not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. So look at there the discussion between the king and the minister. Here the king said it is not good, means it was not right to give our kingdom to someone else in the next birth. Let's go on the stake ourselves, and we will be reborn as king and minister again. Holy men, do not tell lies, he said, and the minister agreed. So here he said, holy men, do not tell lies. मतलब होली इंसान जो होते हैं वो कभी भी, मतलब जो एसेटिक इंसान होते हैं, सन्यासी होते हैं, वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते. So whatever he said must be true, and that's why here the king said it would be better for them to die on the stake. Yes, instead of the disciple and the Guru. It would be better for us to die on the stake. Yes, and the minister agreed. और इस चीज़ को मिनिस्टर भी अग्री कर लेता है. And then look at what happened. So he told the executioners. अब इसी आधार पे चर्चा करने के बाद अपने executioners को कहते हैं, servants को कहते हैं, we will send the criminals tonight. Criminals means the disciple and the Guru. And the disciple. The king told his executioners that the king would send the criminals, that means the guru and the disciple, that night. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first, and then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. So this way he gave order to his men to execute the person who would come first at night to you to the death, and then the another in the same manner. So this way the order was given to the main executioners. Okay, and there he warned the executioners not to make any mistake. So then, as the plan of the guru, it worked. Okay, it was going on, and now the king made another plan. अब इस king ने एक दूसरा प्लान बनाया. That, look at अब उसका प्लान क्या था. That night the king and his minister went secretly to the prison. Yes, that night the king and the minister both went to the prison secretly. Okay, चुपके से वो दोनों उस prison में जाते हैं जहां कौन थे, the guru and the disciple, and release the guru and the disciple. रिलीज द गुरु और डिसिपल को वो रिलीज कर देते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं. एंड डिस्गाइज देमसेल्व्स एज द टू. डिस्गाइज मींस वेशभूषा चेंज करना. यस, दे डिस्गाइज देमसेल्व्स एज द गुरु एंड डिसिपल. और किंग और मिनिस्टर ने अपने आप को एक गुरु और उस मिनिस्टर को डिसिपल के तौर पर वेशभूषा करते हैं. So look at the plan of the king and minister. They actually replace themselves with the guru and the disciple. The king became the guru and minister became the disciple. Yes, why? Just they wanted to die on the stake, to be the king and minister in the next birth. Okay, so that was the plan of the king. Okay, so look at that. Then what happened? As arranged beforehand, the loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. So as the executioners were given order, they took both the guru and the disciple. That means the guru means the king and the disciple means the minister, to the stake and executed them promptly executed them. बिल्कुल योग्य तरीके से उनको दोनों को एक्सिक्यूट कर देते हैं, दोनों को मौत के घाट उतार दिया जाता है. सो नाउ कौन मरे वहां पर? इन प्लेस ऑफ द गुरु एंड डिसिपल, द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर were killed. That means executed. They were executed. So this way the guru saved the life of not only him but of his disciple also. Yes, ना ही उसने खुद की जान बचाई बल्कि साथ डिसिपल की भी जान बचाई with this plan, with this trick. Yes, and what is that? He called the stake as the stake of the God of justice. And as no criminal had been executed on it, it is pure solemn. So who would die first would be reborn as the king in the next birth, and another next person would become the minister in the future minister of this country. So this plan worked accurately, and now in place of the king and disciple, the king and the minister were executed. Later on, look at there what happens. When the bodies were taken down to be thrown to crows and vultures, the people panicked. When the dead bodies of the both were taken down to be thrown to the vultures and crows और vultures वगैरह को, जैसे गिद्ध वगैरह और कौवा वगैरह को खिलाने के लिए जब उनकी डेड बॉडी बाहर निकाली गई, so the people became panic stricken. Why? Because they recognized the bodies. उन्होंने बॉडीज को रिकॉग्नाइज किया, पैनिक हो गए, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हताश हो गए, बहुत ज़्यादा निराश हो गए. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने जो देखा, they saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. Why? Because these two bodies were of the king एंड द मिनिस्टर। वो कोई गुरु या डिसिपल नहीं थे, तो बल्कि वो डेड बॉडी किसकी थी? द किंग एंड द डिसिपल, सॉरी द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर, किंग और मिनिस्टर की डेड बॉडी थी। एंड दैट साइट मेड द पीपल पैनिक्ड एंड द सिटी वॉज इन नाउ कंफ्यूजन। अब सिटी पूरी कंफ्यूजन में होगी। देयर वॉज नो किंग, नो मिनिस्टर, सो हु वुड रूल देम? अब उनके ऊपर रूल कौन करेगा? द पीपल वर इन confusion, the people were in confusion, the city was in confusion. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. All night they mourn मतलब रोना, और पूरी रात वो रोते रहे। कौन? the city means the people of that country. All people of that country, they all mourned all night and discuss the future of the kingdom. उस kingdom का future वो सोचने लगे कि क्या होगा बिना राजा, बिना मिनिस्टर के। Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciple. Some people, अचानक कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में आता है, they thought about the guru and the disciple. उस गुरु और डिसिपल के बारे में सोचने लगे जिन्होंने ये प्लान करके अपनी जगह इनको मरवाया था। Yes, so now caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. So they were caught up. Caught up means here the servants, the men of the town, that kingdom, they caught the guru and the disciple. And that time the guru and the disciple were preparing to leave the city unnoticed. बिना पकड़े जाए वो भागने की तैयारी, मतलब छोड़ने की तैयारी कर रहे थे। कौन? द गुरु एंड द डिसिपल, बट दे वर caught up now. And then the people or someone among the people said, we people need a king and a minister. हमें एक किंग की और एक मिनिस्टर की जरूरत है। Others agreed, and others the other people of that kingdom agreed, yes we need a king and minister. Yes, उनको एक किंग और एक मिनिस्टर की जरूरत थी। They begged the guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. So here they means the people of that city, they begged, उन्होंने प्रार्थना की, विनंती की to the guru and disciple to be there, to become their king and minister. उस गुरु और डिसिपल को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि वो उनके गुरु मतलब किंग और मिनिस्टर बन जाए। It didn't take many arguments to pursue the disciple. And disciple was a bit greedy. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत greedy था वो, so he agreed easily. Okay, disciple easily agree हो जाता है to be the minister of the kingdom. But it took longer to pursue the guru. Pursued मतलब मनाना, okay, convince करना. But it took more time to convince the guru. लेकिन गुरु को convince करने के लिए बहुत समय लगा। But at last, then finally agreed to rule the kingdom of foolish king and the silly minister. Okay, but finally, the guru agreed. The guru agreed to rule the kingdom of fools. Yes, and means the kingdom of foolish king and the silly minister. मूर्ख किंग और सीली मिनिस्टर का राज्य को राज्य करने के लिए तैयार होते हैं, बट ऑन अ कंडीशन, लेकिन एक कंडीशन के ऊपर, बट ऑन द कंडीशन दैट दे कुड चेंज ऑल द ओल्ड लॉज। ओके, बट ऑन अ कंडीशन, लेकिन एक कंडीशन के साथ कि दे आर फ्री टू चेंज, दे वर फ्री टू चेंज द ओल्ड लॉज, कि जो पुराने लॉज है उनको वो चेंज करने की उन्हें पूरी परमिशन रहेगी। विद दिस कंडीशन दे अग्रीड टू रूल द किंगडम, उस किंगडम को रूल करने के लिए वो तैयार हुए। कौन? द गुरु। अब देखो क्या किया उन्होंने, जो पुराने लॉ थे चेंज करते हैं या नहीं करते। एंड फ्रॉम देन ऑन, और उस दिन के बाद से, नाइट वुड अगेन बी नाइट एंड डे वुड अगेन बी डे। And from that day, afterwards, day became day and night became night. And you could get nothing for a do. You could get nothing. अब एक डुडे में उनको कुछ भी नहीं मिलने लगा। जो प्रॉपर रेट्स थे, प्रॉपर प्राइस थे, they all were tagged. Okay, and it became like any other places. And this way, due to the guru and the disciple, the kingdom of fools became again as the others kingdom. जैसे बाकी राजाओं का किंगडम होता है, सेम उसी प्रकार का ये भी किंगडम बन जाता है। So this is all about the story in the kingdom of fools, where the writer A.K. Ramanujan is talking about the foolish king and silly minister, how they ruled their kingdom and puzzled everyone, okay, disturbed the life of everyone, okay. But there due to the guru and the disciple, the wise guru and his disciple, at last the city, that kingdom became the kingdom as of others. So dear guys, here the story is completed. In our next one video lecture we will begin our another one story, that is the happy prince, okay. So keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Bye bye.